Once we open up the envelope, we have different forms that it comes in. This is the outer envelope, and this is the inner envelope. And the inner envelope has the ballot that you mail back in, or you can take right back to the City Hall. And the way you vote is you make a mark. And if you want to vote for everybody from one party, you would make a mark here. If you wanted to vote individually, then you would vote here. And there's more than just one party, as you can see. But as the video we had saw on CNN 10, they had to have more than 15% to get into the debates, and so we don't normally get to see them. So this is for the president and the vice president. We have a seat coming up for the U.S. Senate, and then we have the 9th district, which is a congressman, and I'm not sure which district you're in, but I'm in the 9th district. And then this is for our state representative that goes to the Michigan House. And then we get into the state regent board, who runs the state of education, the state board of education. And that would have a lot to do with our school. And then we have the regents of the University of Michigan, of the Michigan State University, the governors of Wayne State University, and the county. Since I'm in a different county, we have different people than you would have probably. And the sheriff and the clerk. And these are all county positions. So the treasurer, the public works, the county commissioner. And then we get into nonpartisan. If you don't know what nonpartisan is, the judges are not Democrats and Republicans. They go as nonpartisan. And you have to vote between them. And you have to vote for the other thing. And then on the back, there is more judges. You always have to turn over your sheet. And then we have the community college, and since I'm in Macomb County, Macomb Community College, and these are the people that make decisions for the college. So you want to make sure you pick who you have there, what local school district you're in, and then we have different proposals for the state. We have 2 proposals, and then we have one for our city for term limits. And after you would mark each of these up, you would then put this back into this yellow envelope, and when you do an absentee ballot, since you're not at the polling place, it's going to go into a special envelope. This one does not get sealed yet. This one goes into the white envelope, and the white envelope, this one does get sealed. You put it back in there. And then you would sign here they would show that you are the person signing this. And it's very important who does this. And then you would take this, either I'm going to take mine to the City Hall and drop it in the box, or you could mail it, because it does have a mailing address on the front. So it would get mailed, since I'm in the city of Warren, it would get mailed there. I hope you learned something new today. What I got from the city clerk's office. It's an absentee ballot. This is how we vote by mail. You have to request one and they send one to you. Okay, this is where we deposit the ballots for all you kids. And now we have voted.